Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and insert ourselves in Gani's temple, right? Guys, is it only me? Or does Uvuyokazi believe in her heart of hearts ukuthi Sbindi is the only man alive? The reason I'm saying this is that Ugirl is being told by her own mother, like her own mom, saying ukuthi this is fruitless. Puma, Zitande. It's not as if this guy is a millionaire, but Ugirl doesn't see it the way her mother sees it. Ugirl, when they show the shots, it looks like she is still inside within, and her and the other one are still fighting for Usbind. Like, guys, umpumelelo yini anayo, or maybe umshini mkhulu and uyasebenza uyaduma kuyadumeka. That is why. No, like I'm just trying to think ukuthi, how does this make sense for her to keep on going back, even because Vyogazi is beautiful, guys. Vyogazi is so beautiful. You can see ukuthi even with 7 kids, literally she can get any man that she wants. But I don't get it. I'm lost for words, and I'm also asking myself ukuthi, when her parents go and speak nabantu bagamseleko, what is it that they're going to speak about? Because no promise was done. Like, it's like at this point, Usbindi umpumelelo is a baby daddy. Kabantwana bakavuyokazi. There's nothing linking them outside the children. All he has to do is pay damages, and that's it. So I don't know, man. I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you think this relationship is realistic or what? Or the whole polygamy situation is to benefit Usbindi and his selfish desires, now that it's even worse that he wants a virgin to be a first wife? I do like, share, and subscribe while you edit. Love you. Peace. Bye.